Welcome back to TheTechSpace, everybody, and in this video I want to go over how you're going to actually achieve better SEO for your YouTube channel. Now that means more views, more subscribers, and all of that, but you're going to have to follow these certain steps. And I noticed going to other YouTube channels that most people do not have the right tips on their YouTube videos. Now they might have the right tips on their, or they might write things going on for their channel, but they're not saying the right things. They're not telling you guys everything that's going to affect your SEO and let you score higher. And that's how you get your videos to actually show up when people go to search on YouTube. So that's the most important thing. The next important thing is getting your videos in the suggested videos list. When people are watching videos, the videos on the right side, those videos are, I think 30% of my views personally come from those videos. So it's important to pay attention to all of these steps. So what we're going to go over in this video again are going to be all of these things. They're going to be a compilation of all of the things that you need to have good SEO on your YouTube channel and to get more people ultimately on your channel subscribing. And that's what we all need or want from YouTube. And as long as you're posting content that's true to your specific brand, and you have some type of meaning through your content, you will be able to create a platform on YouTube. Whether it's big or small, there's always room for every single topic. And while there are a lot of people, there are not that many consistent people, so take that into mind when you're thinking about YouTube and subscribers and how many subscribers somebody has, how many views somebody has. Take that into mind. A lot of people have been doing this for a longer time than you, so just take this all into mind. And again, we're just going to jump into the first thing on the list. So first thing that you're going to want to do to have better SEO is, of course, have better or the best header file, or not header file, but header photo and logo that you could possibly get. So these are the first things people are going to see when they're on your channel, is your header and your logo. So make sure you either have a picture of yourself or your brand as your logo and a nice picture as your header as well. It took me at least 5 or 6 tries to finish my header correctly and get one that I liked. So don't be, don't quit if you can't figure out how to make one. I have tutorials myself on my channel of how to create header files, or I keep calling it header files, but headers for your YouTube channel. Just if you want to know, a header files thing for HTML and CSS web design. So it's just in my head. Next, what we're gonna want to do is have good titles, good tags, and good descriptions, and that all goes together with everything else on your channel, or everything else that goes into an upload. So all of the things that go into upload, you're going to want to do as correct as possible. And what I mean by correct, I mean by take the time to actually write out your description, take the time to create a good thumbnail, take the time to do the tags correctly, typing in things that people might type in if they're looking for a video that's similar to the one that you have created or the one that you've created, and create tags that are similar to your title. And these things all together will help you when it comes to SEO, because the more that you mention a topic, the more or a better chance you have of ranking on YouTube by a bot. So as you can think, or you can think of YouTube as just a big computer program that's monitored by bots, and the bots go around and they see how many times you're saying the keywords in your title, keywords in your description, keywords in your tags. They're seeing how many times you're saying all that in your actual video. So say your keywords over and over again in your video, and that will help you again rank, because the bots detect that and they rank your video higher based on how many relevant keywords you're using in your video. Also, you want to speak clear and loud. Even if your mic isn't that good, you want to speak as clear as possible, because again, the bots won't be able to detect your language if you're not speaking clear. So the next thing you're going to want to do besides create all this stuff right here, is put your video in a playlist. Playlist, they have more than one video. It often leads the person to another video of yours. If they're watching, this video, they're going to end up going to another video because it's in a playlist. So that helps a lot with viewers and getting subscribers and people to come back to your channel, and reduces your audience retention on your channel as well. So the next thing you're going to want to do is put your video in the correct category. That's very important. You want to make sure that you're always posting in the correct category, because that is something that YouTube uses to section off videos. If you're in the wrong category, you might as well, kiss your video views goodbye, because without promoting it or, some type of boost, the video is probably never going to be seen because it's not relevant to that category that it's in. So think of it, if YouTube puts a this Windows 10 running slow video in the film and animation, or let's say the auto and vehicle category, this is never going to be found, because when people are searching the auto and vehicle category, YouTube's already sectioned off those videos that contain all those keywords, all those tags, everything. They section those off, and this video doesn't contain anything about car in the tags, title, description, or anything, so it wouldn't even rank on when it comes to bots and when they're looking at the video. So you're going to want to make sure you have the correct category, and you're going to want to put end screens and annotations on all your videos. If you want to use cards, you can. That's another good thing that you can use. And if you aren't speaking in your video, make sure you use audio to play over whatever you're doing in your video. Audio also helps if you play it very slowly or very lightly in the background while you're talking in any video. If you've watched, good YouTubers, or not good YouTubers, but very popular YouTubers use this technique. They play music in the background that you can barely hear, but if you listen, very good, you can hear it, and it really makes the difference for keeping those dull moments in your videos interesting. And if you think of it, almost every video, movie, or TV show you've ever watched has some type of background music playing in it, and that again just keeps the viewer's attention and allows for the dull moments and the quiet moments in the video to be ignored. So keep those in mind, all of those tips, and we're going to move on to the next tip, which is going to be use your analytics. So YouTube has an analytics page, as you know, and it also has there's also a website called Social Blade, which I'll put in the description of this video, which you can go there and you can record, or not you can't record, but you can search yourself, and it will show you how well you are doing based on other people that are making videos similar to yours, and based on everybody on YouTube in general. So you go here and you search your name, make sure you have it in YouTube category, click search, click on your channel once it pops up, and then you're going to get this video, or this page right here, which is going to just show your channel, show when you created it, show what type of channel it is, how many views, subscribers, uploads, all of that good information. And it's basically going to show you how many views, subscribers, and stuff you're getting every day, how much money you're making every day. So you can see what days you're doing best, what days you should upload on, what days you shouldn't maybe upload on, what the time you might want to upload. It'll show you all of that good information about your SEO. Again, what I mean by SEO is all of this stuff put together, because all of it really combines to make your the search engine pick up your data and be able to actually know that your video actually exists. So another good thing about Social Blade is that it's future projections, which is something I like to take a picture of and then compare it a month later. I've done this twice now, and you make sure that it gets better. So over time, you can see up to 5 years how many subs, how many views you should have, but you want to increase that. And obviously, if you're keeping up on your channel, you're uploading every day, you're sharing it to your social media, and all of that you're supposed to be doing, then you're gonna get eventually gain an audience, basically, depending on obviously what category you're doing, how much time you're putting in your videos, how much effort you're putting into your videos. you'll gain an audience, and that'll just vary by, how many people you're getting per month, per year, and you always want to increase that amount. So my goal for the end of this year is 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and that's basically just my goal. It says for the end of this year that I will have around 3,000 subscribers and 3 million views. So we're gonna get 97,000 more than that. I really haven't put the effort in my channel. When I was in college, I didn't put that much effort in my channel, but recently, in the last 2 months, I've been putting a lot of effort, a lot of more, I've been doing a lot different videos, more videos, different content, staying updated on my social media accounts and all of that. So I'm trying to really grow on my YouTube channel. So it's something that I really do enjoy doing. Even before I was monetized, I was making YouTube videos like 3-4 years ago while I was in college just to teach, and I always thought of it as a way to teach myself and people who are watching. So you guys, the viewers, to teach you guys, and it's also, it helps me by reiterating it and teaching it. It helps me understand it at a more deeper level. So I enjoy this. I enjoy teaching. I write books as well, so you can see, if you know me, if you know my story, you know that I love to teach, and that's just something that it's in me. So I'm gonna continue to do it regardless if I hit that 100,000 subscriber goal or not. But it's just a goal of mine for this year, especially because I'm gonna be putting in a lot of work on my YouTube channel. But it's a little off topic. But we're basically done with this video. I have other videos you can check out on this topic. But the last thing I want to mention is stay updated on your social media. You can do that by going to buffer.com, and just going to Buffer, you can go to log in your accounts, log in your Twitter, log in all of your accounts, and you can share stuff and schedule it. So you don't have to be, if you're doing something that day, you don't have to be present. You can schedule it, schedule tweets, schedule Facebook posts, Instagram posts, Google Plus posts, and all of that good stuff. So this is a great website to keep updated on your social media and stay relevant with your subscribers, your fan base, and people who are watching your channel. Because whether there's 1 or 1,000 or 1,000,000 people watching your videos, there's somebody, and somebody who can relate to your content. So everybody has to have their own way of communicating with their audience, and this is one of the best ways I feel that you can stay connected, you can stay updated, and you can put out your content when you're not available. So stay tuned for more great videos, guys. I have tons of ideas, tons of content coming out. I've been working again really hard on my channel. So just, if you appreciate it, if you like the video, go click subscribe, like this video, leave a comment and let me know. If you don't like the video, leave a comment and let me know. So I just want to know you guys' feedback in general. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Check out my channel, check out my playlist. I have something for everybody, something we can all, everybody can have some type of relation to on my channel, especially if you love tech, math, computer science, and stuff like that. You can find something on my channel. Again, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.